TV kan koro jatend ODM Raila Odinga kawuono bago romo mar kao pach jopiny e kaunti ma Siaya kama oyango ni omiye sir mar dhi nyime gi twak gi jo Kenya mamoko e wi kit siasa kod telo. Raila wacho ni okao pach jopiny mar neno ni owinjore gi gima jopiny dwaro ka paro ma en godo en kelo oganda jo Kenya kanyakla. Gavana ma Siaya James Orengo bende osiro chenro no kowacho ni gimiyo Raila gweth mar dhi nyime gi loso gi jo Kenya.
You are a Kenyan first before you become a member of these other ethnic groups. This is what is most important. So we are at a stage where we want to ensure that we implement our constitution, which constitution has been rated as one of the best in the world. Kenya. We want to ensure that all the provisions of our constitution are fully implemented. We want to take bad governance to the museum. We don't want to see our youth being abducted and then taken to some unknown places, tortured and some of them killed. That must be something of the past. We don't want to see corruption reigning in our country. That Kenya is rated as one of the most corrupt countries in the world. We will fight corruption and finish corruption in our country. We don't want the members of parliament to usurp the role of the executive. Let parliament represent the people, legislate and oversight.
And I am certain that we are going to have a structured relationship as we engage with other parties, including people in government or outside government.